Hey everyone, my name's Richard, and I'm from Zappos.com, and we are looking at new Savage Boy 9. It's from Geox Kids. These have a nylon mesh and polyurethane upper that is very, very sturdy. Will definitely help keep their feet protected while they are running around and playing. You got these two hook and loop straps in the front, so getting them on and off and keeping their foot locked into place will be no problem at all. Gotta love how it has a little bit of a reinforced toe area up there for extra durability. The inside's nice and comfortable. You also have a removable insole that you can slide out if you want, like so. See, it's got a little extra cushioning on there. You'll see how those little perforations throughout the front, those are gonna work with these holes on the bottom of the rubber outsole. Now what that is that really cool Geox technology that's gonna allow sweat to just soak right on through the bottom of the shoe without letting any outside moisture up through those holes, which is awesome. So don't miss out on these guys. They are from Geox Kids.